Welcome to Dallas Weekly News. I'm your host, Patrick Washington. Today is April 9th, 2020. The medical availability report for the City of Dallas's hospital capacity as of April 8th has been released. 24 hospitals reported ventilator and bed capacity numbers to Mayor Eric Johnson's office. Here are the aggregate totals reported by the 24 hospitals. Total number of beds available were 5,354. Beds occupied were 2,885. Total ICU beds were 783, while the ICU bed occupied were 486. Total ventilators were 901, while the ventilators in use were 294. Please note that these numbers will fluctuate. They are a snapshot in time, and hospitals can expand the bed capacity if necessary. The City of Dallas is looking for compliance from all hospitals in the area, and if you want more information, please contact dallascityhall.com/coronavirus. In local news, the City of Dallas is to close all the parks for Easter weekend. The City of Dallas will close its parks during Easter weekend to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Dallas parks typically see a significant increase in the use on Easter weekend as families and groups have used the public spaces for picnics, Easter egg hunts, social recreations, barbecues, and the like. With physical distancing and social gathering restrictions in place, usage of the city's parks has increased in recent weeks. Mayor Johnson and Dallas Park and Recreation Director John Jenkins agreed that temporary closure this weekend would be the safest decision for first responders, city staff, and the public. Park rangers, park staff, Dallas police, city marshals, parking enforcement, and code compliance will monitor the city's 397 parks during this weekend. Digital messaging boards will alert people the parks are closed. Trails will remain open, but users must abide physical distance guidelines. The parks will shut down at 9 p.m. Friday, April 10th, and reopen again on Monday, April 13th at 7 a.m. Congresswoman Eddie Bernice Johnson has announced emergency fund grants for health facilities in District 30. Congresswoman Eddie Bernice Johnson announced that the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has awarded more than $1.3 billion in emergency supplemental funding for thousands of community health centers to address the coronavirus pandemic. In the 30th Congressional District of Texas, 5 health centers have received significant awards, including Parkland Health and Hospital System, Los Barrios Unidos Community Clinic, Mission East Dallas, Foremost Family Health Centers, the Martin Luther King Family Clinic, and Healing Hands Ministries. DART buses are to deliver weekly meals to DISD families. Dallas Area Rapid Transit and Dallas Independent School District are partnering to deliver weekly meals to students. DART buses will pick food up each Thursday at DISD's distribution center and deliver 3 different Dallas distribution locations: Thurgood Marshall Recreation Center, Janie Turney Recreation Center, the Highland Hills Branch Library. Each bus will deliver 1,500 meals, enough for 100 families per bus, 15 meals per student, for a total of 4,500 meals weekly for distribution of DISD employees. Providing DART buses for food delivery helps DISD families that utilize state-sponsored school lunches, makes it more practical for families that are in transit-dependent communities, help families that are working, and allows DART to leverage currently available assets and capabilities to support North Texas during the difficult time to shelter in place. The federal government will extend support of COVID-19 community-based testing sites. The City of Dallas received notification on Wednesday that the federal partners plan to extend support for COVID-19 community-based testing sites in Dallas through May 30th, 2020. The sites were previously set to be federally supported only through April 10th, leaving the city and Dallas County to take over operations after that date. The federal government announced the testing sites will remain under federal program and will see no change in current processes or procedures. The agreement to extend support for the 2 sites outside the American Airlines Center and the Ellis Davis Fieldhouse came Wednesday. Both testing sites will continue to follow federal testing limit of 250 tests per day per site. The criteria will remain the same: shortness of breath, cough, and you must have a temperature of 99.6 or higher to be considered quarantine worthy. For more information, the CBTS and the city's efforts related to COVID-19, visit dallascityhall.com/COVID-19. For more news and information, please contact dallasweekly.com. Follow us on our social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. And please stay home, stay safe. We will see you tomorrow.